name's Kevin Collins. I'm with Alair Homes Clemson. What we want to do today is talk a little bit about what we do with our floor systems for our houses. So a lot of builders, old schools, use 2x10s, 2x12s. It's really cumbersome. A lot of guys switched over and went to TGIs, which people know as I-joist. What we like to do is what's called an open web floor system. The reason I like an open web floor system is I don't like to drop our basement ceilings. So we like for our basements to be a minimum of 10 foot height. Typically is what we get. Sometimes we're a little bit higher. And the way that we do that is we use an open web floor system. It's engineered. We calculate the L over ratings and the flex and all that stuff. And that's done by in-house engineers where we buy the product from. And if you look up here, you'll see how the duct line runs actually up through there. You'll see how it's open and we can run all that through. You will see right here above me, you will see some OSB on the side of that. That OSB is actually a fire break. So we're required by code to do a separation like every 1,000 feet maximum in this. So if you did have a fire or something break out, that acts as a fire stop. We'll come back and fire cost those penetrations and things like that. But it's really nice. We can run all of our HVAC mechanical stuff up in that open web floor system. We can run our plumbing, we can run our electrical, all of our AV wires, everything. So we don't have to drop anything. It's all up there. It gives us room to get our can lights in, any electrical stuff, speakers. So just another thing we do at Alair Homes Clemson.